In a world where tools are lost and chaos reigns, one organizer rises above the clutter. The French Cleat Pliers holder. Precision, stability, order, because every tool deserves a perfect home. Coming to your workshop now.
Ugh, I can't find anything in this mess. Where's my screwdriver? Where's my wrench? Where are my pliers? Why does this always happen?
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Streamline your workspace with the French Cleat Pliers holder, your go-to solution for keeping up to 7 pliers neatly arranged and always within reach. Designed for precision tools and delicate projects, this tool holder ensures efficiency and accessibility at your fingertips. Built to fit seamlessly with 3/4-inch French Cleat systems, it offers a snug, secure fit for any workshop or hobby space. Crafted with advanced 3D printing technology using durable, eco-friendly PLA material, it combines strength, sustainability, and a sleek, modern design. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.